Hi, Deirdre here. Just going to show you how to create a Facebook page. So you have to be logged into Facebook under your own profile, and then you click on the plus sign up here. So click on the plus sign and then choose page down here. Okay, and you can see the different bits and pieces that you need to fill in over on the left hand side. So I've just typed in the page name, and you must put something in with that. And so the category, I'm going to start typing in bakery, and you can see bakery is up here, and I can choose between wholesale bakery and again, just so bakery is what I'm going to put in, and then put in your description, and fill in the different bits and pieces, and then click on so I'm going to put in some text there, and then click on create page. I'm going to add in a profile picture, and that's the little roundy image that'll be against every post that you make. So I'm going to click on one of those. It should be 180 by 180 at the moment, and this is 2021. So I'm going to click in here, and I have a Facebook profile image here. So I'm just going to click on that one. Okay, and you can see how it's going to be displayed. The world of bread. Okay, so that's fine. A cover photograph, that's this big large one at the top. And again, we can click on that one there and choose. And so you can drag to reposition it. And you can just move it about and decide, oh yeah, that's looking like the way I want it. Oh, sorry, I should put it back in. And then click on save. We now need to deal with anything that still needs to be completed. So in here, in the center one here, set your page up for success and finish the steps, and it tells you what is completed and not. So it's saying I've 6 steps left to go in here. So then I go through, I can add a website, location information is business hours, phone number, messaging preferences, connect with WhatsApp, and what are the other options. So once you've gone through each of the steps, inviting friends, you just click on the different options and create, for example, your first post. And that's you set up in Facebook.